Very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. So, in our online classes, today we will continue our grammar topic, that is subject verb agreement. क्या पढ़ेंगे आज हम? Subject verb agreement. अब subject verb agreement क्या है? You have already read about it in your previous topic. What is subject? Subject means doer of any work. कि जब कोई किसी काम को करने वाला है, किसी भी काम को करने वाले को हम क्या कहते हैं? सब्जेक्ट. मीन्स डूअर ऑफ एनी वर्क इज नोन एज सब्जेक्ट. वर्ब इज एक्शन वर्ड्स. एक्शन वर्ड्स मीन्स आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉट यू कि लिसनिंग, सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, ईटिंग, laughing, crying, everything whatever we are doing is our action. So those action words or state of being means existing words like has, have, am, is, all these are verbs. All these are verbs. So what is subject verb agreement? We have already read subject and verb. So what is now new thing? Agreement. This subject verb agreement is कि सब्जेक्ट का वर्ब के साथ अग्रीमेंट, कि सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब के बीच में जो भी अग्रीमेंट हुआ है दैट इज नोन एज सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट. सपोज यू वांट टू गिव योर शॉप ऑन रेंट एंड someone is very much interested to take your shop. So there you have fixed the rent, and if he is interested to deposit that rent, then there will be deal between two, and that deal will be known as agreement. वो सब क्या होगा हमारे बीच में? समझौता. उसको हम बोलेंगे agreement. So we will read about this subject verb agreement according to our English grammar. कि it is quite confusing ना कि with which subject we have to use which verb. Quite confusing. So there are some rules which we have to learn, and once we have understood that rules, this topic will be quite clear. So subject and verb agreement. Here we will understand it by few examples. Examples: Ashoka was a great king. Ashoka was a great king. Here Ashoka is subject, means doer of any work. The word, this subject is singular. Singular subject. This helping verb we have used is singular. So singular subject, singular helping verb. Next one is he has done his work. He, the word he is also singular. The word he is also singular. So he has done his work. He के साथ हमने क्या यूज किया? Has. With he we have used has. She, again it is the word she is singular. Singular is used with she. They is plural. Plural subject के साथ we have used plural helping verb. So here comes one rule, that if our subject will be singular, then our verb will be singular. Means singular subject plus singular helping verb. So here comes one formula, that is SS formula. SS formula क्या है? If our subject is singular, then helping verb be singular, and singular subjects are he, she, it, any name. Singular subjects are he, she, it, or any name. Now we come to next step, that is plural subject. Plural subject and plural helping verb. Plural helping verb. If we are using it, plural subject, plural helping verb, then formula will be PP formula. PP formula means plural subject, plural helping verb, and that is कि जैसे plural subject क्या है हमारे, I, we, you, they, or any plural word. These are plural subjects. So we have to use plural helping verb. But in our tense, how we will do it? So let us understand it, that in tenses how we have to use this formula: plural subject, plural helping verb, and singular subject, singular helping verb. What is this? Ki present tense. Here comes past tense. Present tense, singular subject, he, she, it, or any name. In present tense, these are singular subjects. These are singular subjects. So what we will do now? He, she, it, or any name, we have to use V1 plus S or ES. We will use V1 or S or ES. He eats his meal. He eats his meal. Here, he eats his meal means the word is singular. The subject is singular, so the verb will be singular, means V1 plus S or ES. This will be V1 plus S or ES. अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है तो हमें सिंगुलर हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करना है, दैट इज V1 plus S or ES. But the subject is plural. They play cricket. They play cricket. Here the subject is plural. Here the subject is plural. तो plural subject के साथ हमने क्या किया? We have used first form of verb V1. And our plural subject will be you, we, they. I, you, we, they. All these are plural subject. So we have to use first form of verb here. So we have learned two things, two formulas, SS and PP formulas, and the subject is singular, the verb will be singular, and if the subject will be plural, the verb will be plural. So I hope all these points have clear to all of you. So just give a recap to these things, that subject is doer of any work, verb is action words or state of being, and in present tense, if the subject is singular, he, she, it, or any name, then we have to use first form of verb with S or ES, and if the subject is plural, I, we, you, they, then we have to use first form of verb without S or ES. So these 2 points we have learned in regarding subject verb agreement. I hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.